So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can prevent the Android screen from timing out by itself. Now you may have seen that it happens many times when you are trying to read something and all of a sudden if there is no activity, the screen shall time out. Now if you are using an Android phone or maybe any other Android phone, all such things are very customizable. And one of the easiest way to prevent this from happening, what we have just seen, is by heading towards your settings. In the settings, go towards display, inside display, scroll down until you see screen timeout, and typically it will be defaulted to something like 15 seconds. So if you have option of selecting to a higher number, go ahead and do that. And if you have something like never, go ahead and select that. Now what happens is the screen will not time out by itself. The phone display will not time out by itself until unless 10 minutes are over. Now that's some relief. So just repeat the steps, head towards settings, go towards display, and like inside display, like go towards screen timeout, inside timeout, like select something that suits you. So this is really something that's really saved me because I record a lot of videos. Sometimes the video length may be like more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And earlier, like the screen used to time out. And knowing this, it's really helped because I now select the timeout to something like, 5 or 10 minutes. And so the screen stays alive for that much time at least. So this can be done through various different means like using third-party apps and maybe also turning on the developer option and then going to the developer options and making the screen stay awake. But when you have something as simple as this, I really don't think you need any other option or any other solution. So that's all for today. I think this should be fine. If you think it's great, please go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell icon for notifications, and please don't forget to share this with your friends on social network platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all those wonderful things. Your likes, your subscriptions, everything means a lot to me, and I really mean that. Thank you so much, and until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.